don't know a single other furniture place that you walk into and it has one of the largest TVs in New England on the wall.
We have many guests who don't even know that we're here, happen to be shopping in the mall, and then come in, they're sitting down at the chairs and just in total awe.
It's well done, it's gorgeous, it's seamless. I think that people are fascinated by it. It's a giant television. Who doesn't want to look at a giant television?
When they walk in, they're so wowed by it that they kind of lose a sense as to where they are.
It's crazy because even when you're walking from the opposite side of the mall, you see this screen, so it's just like, oh, what is that? And it's just very much a curiosity. So people that might not know we're here, from where it's located, it draws them in.
Like, it's a good way to bring in business, and they're going to go home and tell everybody else about it, and that they're going to have to come see it for themselves.
Jordan's is all about that wow factor, having the ultimate customer experience. There is no furniture store around that I know of that has a large screen in their showroom. I mean, it really gets people excited. So sometimes people don't even think they're in a furniture store.